Okay, this is my final project for ECEN 160. My name is Devin Vile, and what I have here is my complete microprocessor. So I have my clock and my clear button with the counter. That runs into my programmable ROM, which from there will split off into one of two places, to both places. The top side will carry the instructions to the decoder, which will then send out various instructions to all the other parts. And then the bottom side will pull in the number that I want it to into this multiplexer. And this multiplexer is selecting between the number provided and the number that comes out from the arithmetic logic unit. And then it feeds it into this register file. Now this register file is two 4-bit registers. And then this will select which register gets written to from which number. These 4-bit registers are made out of individual 1-bit registers. And so here is a 4-bit register, and it's made out of these 1-bit registers. Fairly simple multiplexer with the flip-flop. And so that's my register file. It holds the two numbers that we want it to. And those two numbers feed out, and they feed into here, which is ultimately where the text gets displayed, and into the arithmetic logic unit, the ALU. And so in my ALU, I have the two 4-bit numbers feeding in. I have my exclusive OR. I have my OR, my AND I have my addition and subtraction. So my addition side is with, here are the numbers coming in. I have the subtraction set up to go through these exclusive OR gates so that it can do the subtraction when it's toggled. Then these are the individual 1-bit adders, and that will add up the numbers and spit it out of my ALU here into this accumulator, which is another 4-bit register, same as the ones before, and so it stores a number and then sends it out from the arithmetic logic unit. That'll feed into here, and I can choose to compound on that number with additional math or whatever is required. So I'll go ahead and start it here. It'll run through all these instructions that I've programmed in, and basically it's going to walk through all the functions like I have these here displaying the numbers. That was just helpful figuring out some bugs that I had in my ALU. So it says, hello, Brother Nichols. It says a 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 times 3 is 9. And then it does the software, 4 minus 3 equals 1, and then it does the hardware, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And so I think it's up and running. And that is my project for ECEN 160, the final. Thanks.